Hey, it's Monae Everett, celebrity and editorial hairstylist. I've been at this for over 16 years. Started my career, went to cosmetology in high school, worked at a salon, managed a salon, became an educator for a company, and now I've landed doing hair on set and mainly with celebrities. Every day, people ask me, how did I get to where I am? They like that I work with celebrities like Taraji P Henson, Usher, Emily Robinson, Lilimar, the people from Nickelodeon, done shows like the Nickelodeon Halo Awards, Sundance, been in magazines like, Essence, InStyle, Yahoo, things of that nature. Since I get asked, how did I make it to become an on-set hairstylist, I've decided to do a free webinar called, So, You Want to Be an On-Set Hairstylist? You like that title, right? My webinar is going to show you what you need to do to be an on-set hairstylist, what the differences are between salon hairstyling and on-set hairstyling, what do you need to have in your kit, and I'm even going to answer your questions. And the cost is free $99. Join me February 26th at 5 p.m. You can register in the link above or visit my website, themonaelife.com. Once again, Monae Everett, free webinar. So you want to be an on-set hairstylist? See you then.